Adventures of Paws. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Chef Ginger and the Blueberry Cupcake Surprise. In the heart of the cozy little village, inside a warm and bustling kitchen, Chef Ginger was getting ready for a special baking day. Today, she wanted to make something extra delicious: blueberry cupcakes. She put on her chef's coat, dusted flour off her whiskers, and lined up all the ingredients. Chef Ginger's blueberry cupcake recipe ingredients: 1½ cups flour, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup butter softened, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup fresh blueberries. Meow, amazing, this will be the best batch ever, she purred happily. Just as she was about to start mixing, her friend Benny the Squirrel scampered into the kitchen, his bushy tail twitching excitedly. "Ginger, I heard you're making cupcakes. Can I help?" Benny asked. "Of course, Benny. Cooking is always more fun with friends," Ginger said, handing him a wooden spoon. Benny helped mix the dry ingredients: flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, while Ginger whisked the butter, eggs, milk, and vanilla together. Then, she carefully folded in the blueberries. But as Benny stirred, he got a little too excited. Splat! A giant scoop of batter flew into the air and landed right on Ginger's nose. Benny gasped. "Oops, I'm so sorry, Ginger." Ginger giggled and licked her nose. "No worries, Benny. A little mess makes the best memories." Soon the batter was ready, and they carefully poured it into cupcake liners. Baking instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 2. Line a cupcake tray with 12 cupcake liners. 3. Fill each liner 2/3 full with batter. 4. Bake for 20 minutes until golden brown and fluffy. 5. Let them cool before adding a special touch. As the cupcakes baked in the oven, the kitchen smelled sweeter with every passing minute. Ding! The timer rang. The cupcakes were ready. Ginger and Benny took them out, and they looked perfect, golden, fluffy, and bursting with blueberries. But something was missing. "They need a little extra magic," Ginger said, tapping her chin. Just then, their friend Poppy the bird fluttered in. "I have an idea," she chirped. She flew over to the counter and sprinkled a tiny bit of honey on each cupcake. Ginger's eyes sparkled. "Perfect! Let's taste them." They each took a big bite. The cupcakes were soft, sweet, and bursting with blueberry goodness. "These are the best cupcakes ever," Benny squeaked. "They taste like sunshine and happiness," Poppy chirped. Ginger smiled. "That's because we made them together. The secret ingredient is always friendship." And from that day on, Ginger's blueberry cupcake surprise became the village's favorite treat, baked with love, laughter, and just a little bit of batter on the nose.
Adventures of Paws. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let the adventures begin.